everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make these sticky chicken wings. It's very easy to make in like 30 minutes basically. So first of all, we have some soya sauce that we've added in our saucepan. Going to also add some cold water, and don't worry, I'm going to put the measurement in the description box below. Now this we just added brown sugar, and we're going to add our spices, which are garlic powder and ginger powder to give it a kick. You can add some cayenne pepper, some chili pepper if you want to. And lastly, we're going to add in honey. Just leave that to boil for a while so that the sugar can dissolve. And once that boils, we're going to add in our corn flour mixture, which is basically just corn flour and water. Basically, I'll put the exact quantity in the description box. So basically, we'll leave that to boil until you get this very thick texture, this thick consistency, as you can see, and then you set that aside to cool. Then we get some chicken wings. I use about 500 grams of chicken wings and just cut that up into 3 parts. Once you cut it up, just rinse it and pat it dry with a towel. Now we'll get a non-stick frying pan. It has to be non-stick frying pan. Pour in the chicken and some chilies, onion and jalapeños that are already sliced. So basically, you are trying to get the skin to be very crispy and brown. And as you notice, there was no oil in because the chicken is going to bring out oil. So you keep tossing for like a couple of minutes till you get the crispy skin. And then we take about 3 cooking spoons of our sauce and place into the pan. Add in some cold water. Basically, you want the water to cover up the whole chicken. And once that's done, you have to leave it to boil for, don't close it, just leave it open, leave it to boil for about 30 minutes. And once it boils, the water evaporates, as you can see, leaving just that juicy yummy sauce. So basically, that's just it. Very simple and easy. In like 40 minutes, you're out of the kitchen. Garnish with some sesame seeds and spring onion. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.